different kinds. Surface area right here. If I did my box.
You're not born with the bad math gene. There's no bad math gene. It's just one of those where sometimes it's going to take you longer to understand, and that's okay.
So this is the right angle.
I just love the kids, and they're entertaining, and they tell you funny things, and you know, getting to witness all those light bulb moments where it's like, I get it. That's the greatest. I just always loved teaching. My mom was a teacher, her mother was a teacher. Education was important in my family. So come to, you know, you're applying for jobs, and jobs are hard to get, and I ended up subbing. And my first day subbing, I subbed for my 7th grade math teacher, Mr. Pope. And I had his class for the first 2 weeks, and that is when I fell in love with middle school. One of the things I really enjoy is having opportunities to grow. And I know they throw out that, you know, lifelong learning, but at the same time, teachers really do want to keep growing and keep learning. So if I was doing the same thing from 20 years ago, that would be boring. Recently, they've sent me to a couple different trainings on equity, and it's fascinating. When they send you to trainings, you get to see people from different schools that you've never met, or you have met, but you only see them at trainings. Then you get to bounce ideas off each other. We are asking our kids, you know, we want you to solve math problems, for example. And so when you're solving these math problems, we don't want you to do it just one way. We want you to be like, okay, here's a problem. How many different ways can you solve it? And so as teachers, I need to model that. I need to keep changing what I'm doing. You know, learning different things, trying different things. Sometimes things will work, sometimes they won't, and that's okay. Failure is okay because it's an opportunity to learn.